After tree pose and toe stand, we've finished the standing series, so we come to the floor in corpse pose, Savasana. Try to do it with as little transition as possible, without a lot of fidgets and fixing your yoga furniture. Just immediately turn around, lie down with your head towards the back of the room and your feet towards the front. Immediately turn your palms up, slide your shoulder blades towards each other, and let your feet fall a little bit open so that your center line is relaxed and you're completely surrendering to gravity. This relaxes your mind after all the hard work that you did, and it allows your cardiovascular system to recover. If you can, keep your mouth closed so you're still breathing through your nose, deep and slow. Normal breaths with a swallow every once in a while so you can just let your body concede to the stillness of this pose. As best you can, you want to keep your mind quiet, and it's going to wander. That's the brain's job. Just do your best to bring it back to the sound and sensation of your breath.